Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is March the 18th, 2018, and my little lobelia here that we started from seed started blooming. And I wanted to show you what it looked like. And it's just an absolutely beautiful blue color. It might look a little purple with the light, but it's a real pretty blue color. So I just wanted to show you what this looks like, and I'll show you the other plants here. Here's some of the other ones here. We have to keep moving the light up because they're growing so tall for us. So I still have them in the flat. I did actually take some out of the one container and I used them in a planting. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button. I'll tell you when I put a new video on. Thank you for watching and hope you have a nice day. Bye.